Imagine waking up every day with money softly sliding into your account without even thinking about it. Here in this video, we are exploring 20 of the best business ideas for creating passive income, each one meant to be simple, enjoyable, and most importantly, successful. These tips can help you around the clock regardless of your level of experience or desire to improve your side hustle. All set to release streams of revenue free from consuming your life? Let's leap in and transform your ideal of simple income into your reality. 1. Ebook publication. Imagine authoring a brief, useful manual on a subject of interest to others. Ebooks have the beauty in that you can write once, publish it, and every sale represents pure profit. Furthermore, anyone may start writing right now thanks to digital sites like Amazon Kindle. Looking for a way to earn money without even writing once? For someone who would rather share current products, our next concept is ideal. 2. Affiliate marketing. Simple affiliate marketing is a hustle that gets you paid by a commission by linking product recommendations. Imagine being rewarded every time someone purchases the kitchen tool that saves you time or a travel bag you really like. You might post these links in a blog, on social media, or even in a YouTube description. What if you could profit from something even less work than linking? Keep observing, since next up is a means of making money off of something once created. 3. Print on demand. Are you developing an aptitude for designing? Print-on-demand sites enable you to upload designs suitable for t-shirts, mugs, and other items. You get a percentage each time someone purchases your item without dealing with the inventory. Teespring and other sites help you concentrate on creative ideas by handling printing and shipping. And if design isn't your thing, don't panic. Our next approach calls just for a camera or smartphone. 4. Pictures for stock photography. Why not profit from your enjoyment of photography? Sites like Adobe Stock and Getty pay you each time someone downloads one of your images. Even images of commonplace objects can sell well given the increasing need for visuals in digital media. Ready to see how video might bring you even more? Our next concept takes your video camera abilities into use. 5. Revenue from YouTube advertisements. Making money on YouTube doesn't need you to face the camera. Ad income allows channels featuring nature sounds, soothing landscapes, or even basic animations to pay for themselves. If your preferred approach is teaching or explaining, this next concept will make you a whole lot of money. Stick around, since people who wish to showcase their talents will be the next topic. 6. Online courses. With online classes, you can convert your ability in cooking, editing, or fitness, a passive income source. Websites like Udemy and Skillshare let you design a course and repeatedly market it to students all around the globe. What if, however, you would rather invest and see your wealth rise? We will then address a hands-off approach to accomplish just that. 7. Collective real estate crowdfunding. Although one of the first ways to create wealth is real estate, conventional investing calls for big financial outlay. Real estate crowdsourcing sites let you spend as little as $500 in real estate projects and profit from rental revenue or property appreciation. And if you want something even less expensive to start, our next idea lets you profit with only a little upfront outlay. 8. Vending machines. Have you ever seen a vending machine at a crowded business or university? Once set up, it just needs occasional replenishing. Hence, it is a low-maintenance income source. Starting with one machine in a suitable location, you could build from there. Want something more contemporary and technologically driven? The next concept grabs on the largest digital market of today. 9. App development. App development calls for less technological knowledge now. You might utilize templates to construct a basic app, or contract freelancers to design one for you. An app can start to be a consistent source of income, whether your earnings come from in-app purchases or ad money. And if app building sounds difficult, be rest assured that the next idea is quite basic and requires no technological knowledge. 10. Dropshipping. Imagine running an online store without stocking anything. Dropshipping is selling goods from a supplier who ships straight to the customer. Your sole responsibilities are marketing and ordering management. Easy setup is made possible via sites like Shopify and Oberlo. Curious about how to earn money just by offering ideas? We will next discuss a means of profit from your ideas. 11. Paid media notes. If you enjoy writing, a paid newsletter helps you provide subscribers ready to pay for your insights access to useful materials. You might write on anything from fitness advice to personal budgeting. Sites like Substack handle delivery and payments on your behalf. For something much simpler, the next business idea focuses on purchasing and marketing constantly in-demand items. 12. Domain flipping. Valuable domains, which are the internet addresses, could sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Purchasing properties that might be in demand allows you to turn them profitably. Like digital real estate here. Not interested in turning around domains? The next idea is a creative approach to maximize any additional space you might have, as another great source of more income. 13. Rental income. You may rent a spare room or an empty parking place for extra money. You can rent your room with Airbnb free of long-term obligations. If you lack space to rent out, don't panic. The next approach will probably work with something you most likely already own. 14. Sharing cars. If you rarely use your car daily, think about leasing it on sites like Turo. You may easily make money right from your house without ever going. If you are, however, seeking something digital, the next concept is all about producing goods that appeal to their own web presence. 15. Online goods and services. Once generated, digital assets include fitness plans, budgeting tools, or printables that can be sold several times. Using sites like Etsy, you can promote an ebook or a PDF guide. Searching for a concept equally more interesting? What comes next excites your customer month after month. 16. Subscription boxes. Subscription boxes let you design personalized bundles for clients who pay every month to get well-chosen goods. Using ideas like food or self-care, this approach generates a devoted clientele that maintains consistent income. Did you want to create passive money with your artistic abilities? The next idea is for fans of sound or music. 17. Licensing your work of music. Do you compose sound effects or music? Licensing enables you to make extra money each time someone downloads your work for their project or video. You can simply post to sites like Audio Jungle and get paid passively each time someone plays it. Stay tuned if investing is more your style, since our next concept is by using your money to work for you. 18. Dividend stocks. Imagine being compensated only to hang on to a little bit of a corporation. You own nothing. Dividend stocks have beauty in that regard. Purchasing dividend-paying stocks in firms is essentially creating a consistent income source free from reliance on sales. Some businesses, especially those in consumer goods or utilities, have a consistent track record of paying off even in recessionary times. The finest aspect is dividend reinvestment programs, or DRIPs, that let you automatically purchase new shares using your dividends, therefore gradually increasing your income. Now stay tuned for our next idea, since it's ideal for everyone who enjoys catching events on video, if you're wondering whether there's any way to make money with just your camera or smartphone. 19. Selling stock video. There's never been a better moment to turn your camera talents into money, as the demand for video material soars. Websites such as Pond5, Adobe Stock, and Shutterstock let you sell clips of anything from busy metropolitan views to calm landscapes or even certain acts, such as pouring coffee or strolling in the park. Once posted, content creators, marketers, and companies all around can download each clip that means you get paid every time someone requires a little of the exact moment you caught. And your footage performs better the more unusual or in demand it is. Travelers, enthusiasts, or even smartphone users who can record quality footage will find stock video to be an excellent choice. You are not a skilled filmmaker, but even simple but well-shot videos have a market, particularly for backgrounds, nature scenes, and daily life events. Moreover, since these films live on the platform and continue to sell, it is quite passive income. But the next concept might be the greatest strategy to get passive income if you would rather interact with people through talk than images. Let's explore podcasting. 20. Podcasting. One of the most exciting and easily available methods to create passive income while distributing something you are passionate about is podcasting. Podcasts let you really interact with an audience, whether your topic is real estate, book reviews, personal finance, or vacation advice. Once you have an enthusiastic base, chances for income start to show. Platform Patreon lets you profit from sponsorships, adverts, or even listener donations. And considering its beauty, as more people find your podcast, every episode you log could bring in money for years to come. Podcasts also create other revenue sources apart from commercials. Many effective podcasters provide premium material, such as extra episodes or special Q&A sessions available to paying members. Using your podcast to market your own products, such as ebooks, courses, or consultancy sessions, could therefore turn your passion into several sources of money. We really appreciate you watching. We wish you are motivated to begin creating your own passive income sources. If you like this video, make sure to mark it with a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to ensure you won't miss any of our next videos on business ideas, financial freedom, and more.